Today I will show you a data management application called Soda, which is used to store information about the things that people leave in a hospital. When patients arrive to the hospital, they leave their things in bags to a special storage place, and in the past this was managed with the Excel file, and now the people will use Soda, which makes all operation automatic and very convenient. The first issue was that the hospital cannot access any web server or has reduced rights on the PC. It was not possible to install anything, so we are using a Microsoft Terminal remote desktop that you can find easily from any device to connect to the server we provide. And then you go directly into the application. In the application, there's the list of current bags into the store, and you have the history of what has happened. If I look at the bags, imagine I received a new patient arrives. I will click on new item. I will fill the form with the name of the guy, the arrival date is automatically set, and the departure date is not set. It's left blank because I don't know when this package will have to go out. I can select the name of the person who does it. Let's say it's Mr. Smith. The storage condition depends on what is inside the bag, so I say this will go to the cabinet. I put as comment everything okay, no comment, and I select the status, which will be in pharmacy because it just arrived safe. Now you can see I have a new record. You can see that I have colors to easily see what's going on. I can sort all data by any criteria, and I can also select to see if I have old package. This button shows me the last 15 days of operation. This buttons the weeks before, and this is all the very old bags. And on the right button I got all of them. So this is very simple. Anyone can use it, and what we have is the user management rights. It's possible to define the rights for everybody using this expert tool administration. You can set the rights for any user and the password for anyone. What else shall I show you? The logbook makes a log of everything that has happened, and there's an export button to send it to Excel. This is a very flexible tool, very safe with user rights protection, with history, and it can be customized without any limit. This is used to storage patient packets, personal stuff. You can use it to manage computer configuration. You can manage any kind of goods very simply and share it to the network, as you can see. Thank you very much.